Hey ladies, what's up? This is my boy band stance while I work on the lawnmower.
Yeah, you're good. It's even closer to his head now, so you got plenty of time. Here we go.
We totally just messed that up.
Yeah, I'm like,
I want to go play.
where I just take one?
Wait, no, this is...
A new mirror for the entryway? Oh my god. Cameron, my parents are coming in town tomorrow.
Eat it.
This is too much of that.
Take 12 and a half. Whoops. Today's probably not the best day. That's why there's a guy choosing his song in the background.
Is he in the shot?
Dude.
Cameron, my parents are coming in town tomorrow.
I never even liked them. What did you say you wanted to do?
I don't know. Play.
Okay, we're good.
20. Hello.
Yeah.
Tuckity tuck. Okay.
20.
Take 20. No, I got into recording.
Sorry, I totally looked at me.
Yeah, it's okay. You looked at the
I'm
real
not
me.
talking to you.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Hey, what kind did you get? Shoot, you just asked me that. It's my line.
Oh my gosh.
It's just because it's in my line. Oh, God, for a second. The dog.
Take funny.
Take me out tonight. No fair. You're trying to make it slower, but you're just gulping really loudly. Why is having a juice box so funny to me? It's just like, well, I'm a kid. Oh man. Oh, no fair. Well, you said that was so preposterous. Okay. There's nothing.
Okay, sorry, two guys just walked by.
Okay, go. Cameron. Okay, do it again.
Did you record that?
Yeah, do it again. Oh, it didn't come out. What? Okay, do it again.
All right, go Ty.
Oh my gosh.
Hi, my name's Cameron. I'm Ty, and we're flippin' awesome.
Boys, juice boxes.
Ah, sweet. Thanks, Mom. Man, what kind did you get? Passion fruit punch, you? Orange lava burst. Oh, no fair. I know, right? I think that might be a little too much.
That was really loud.
Oh, was it clipping?
Oh, we're like yelling.